Good morning, YouTube. This is Mark Aquatics. Today I'm going to transfer the three parrotfish I have on the 55 gallon. Okay, some of my fish is already not here on the 55 gallon, but I'm gonna leave these two here because there's a fry fish here. I'm not sure if you can barely see it, but it's there. They're protecting it. And then this is my fry now on my blue polar, and sooner or later I will remove this one and I'm gonna put it here so that this too must be protected, the fry. So the other polar I have, remember Max is no longer here, and the two platinum parrotfish is no longer here also. I'm gonna leave this Jill here because she's pregnant, and the other one is still around here somewhere. The small polar I have, you're gonna see that one soon, but I guess she's hiding right now. So let's go back to the 55 gallon, 125 gallon. Here they are, two platinum and one polar. That is Max, and Snowball is here also. He's right there, and I could not give his name yet because my son didn't give his name. Hey Daniel, yeah. What name should we give this blue polar here?
Maybe I want to name him Krabby Patty.
Krabby Patty?
Yeah.
Okay. He wants to name this blue polar Krabby Patty. Okay, so this is my 125. My tilapia is still there. Nice color. And of course the convict cichlid is there. Okay, and this is the green terror. It has a nice color now, so you can see that. And they're very happy about the aquarium where they stay in. And sooner or later we're gonna transfer the angel fish to that 125 gallon, the 55 gallon aquarium. Sorry for the mistakes here. So I will give you an update. How's the fish going? So how do I transfer my fish? So I'm gonna put them on the plastic first, and because I'm gonna use the water on my 55. Then when I put them here so that they can get used to the heat on this water here, and then I put some water from this water on the 125 to this plastic so that they can get used to the water also. Same thing here. I put a little water, like 2 cups of water here and 2 cups of water here, and this plastic and this plastic. So that's it for all. So we're gonna let it stay there for an hour, and so that they can get used to it. Some say it's 30 minutes, but for me I put it an hour so that they can get used to the heat and the water on this aquarium. So that's it all for now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.